We're going to start by drawing half-inch border all around the paper. I'm going to put 4 points on all 4 corners, half-inch away from each corner, and that's approximately half-inch. And then I'm going to join each point with a line. And when you start a line, your eyes are on the starting point, and as you move down, your eyes should be on the destination point. If you want to move your paper to draw your line, you can. I need to keep that in the frame, so I'm going to use horizontal stroke. And you can use the edge of the paper to keep your line straight. If you have a sketch pad, and if you have a clipboard, you can use that, or an edge of a book if you have a loose paper. So hold your finger like this and slide your pencil, keeping the distance constant, and that way you can draw a straight line. I'm going to divide my paper into 6 sections. So looking at this horizontal line, I'm going to divide that into 3 equal sections, and that's again visually equal without using a ruler. So drawing a vertical line, you put your hand steadily on the paper and then drag or slide your hand down. This time I'm going to use horizontal stroke. Freehand line is supposed to look like a freehand line. It's not, you're not striving to make it look like a mechanical line. Now in this rectangle, I'm going to draw vertical lines. So I'm going to place some points starting with all 4 corners, and approximately they're 1/4 inch away from the edge. And then I'm going to place a point right in the middle of each. So that's a visual midpoint. Now you can place one more point in the middle of this section and middle of this section. So midpoint in all of the remaining. So midpoint over here, midpoint of these 2. Actually, I didn't need these because I'm drawing a vertical line. So my goal is to draw a vertical line from this point to the one below. So this is the direction of the stroke. And to do more practice, I would add more points in the middle. So your line should be bold and medium thick. In this square, I'm going to draw horizontal lines. Now, since I want only horizontal, I need points right here, right here. So I'm dividing that into with midpoints. So now my direction of the stroke is like that, from left to right. And I can go ahead and add a line in between those. In the third one, I'm going to draw slanted lines. I'm going to place my reference points 1/4 inch from the corner, and then in the middle of each, in the middle of these two, and repeat all around. Now the direction of the stroke is going to be from left downward to the right. In the fourth rectangle, again it's going to be slanted. Same thing, reference points from the midpoint. Again, mid of these two, repeat. This time the direction of the stroke is going to be from left to right, going upward. In the fifth rectangle, we are going to draw slanted lines, and the direction of the stroke is going to be from the top right going to the left, downward. So again, place your points, midpoints, again midpoints of each. Repeat. Midpoint of these two, and repeat. So this is the direction of the stroke this time. In the sixth square, I want to practice drawing freehand circles with some reference points. So first I want to divide this into 4 sections or rectangles. Now this line is going to be lighter than this line because this is a subdivision. Further within that rectangle, I'm going to draw a square first. So for square, I need to make sure that the width and the height is the same, at least visually. Now if I place 1 point in the midpoint of each line, that's going to be the quadrant of the circle, 4 quadrants of the circle. Also, you can draw a diagonal line to locate the center of the circle. Now, if you place another point over here, which has the equal distance from center to this point, you can visually see the dotted circle. You can see that circle now. So now you just join those points with arcs. And if you want to rotate that paper, if that helps you, you can do that. So I'm going to repeat that again. Draw a square. And put midpoints. And this time I'm just going to draw the circle by joining all those. And this time I'm going to locate 4 points and try to draw arc that goes through these and then create a circle. So there's the arc, and goes through this, goes through this, and goes through this. Now we're going to try another technique, drawing the center line of the circle and try to create circles like that. So this is the center line that passes through the circle. And now visually you can place the points equal distance from the center and then draw your circle. Draw a smaller circle. In this rectangle, I'm going to draw a large circle. the final rectangle, I'm going to draw freehand circles. And lastly, write your name, all caps, date, and your block.